This brand is made in the USA by Northern Geo LLC and is available in the USA and Canada through its dealer network. They feature durable scroll compressors and variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation. They have standard superheaters for domestic hot water assist but use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. The brand has a complicated warranty structure and it is not as good as most of the other brands. The eSeries units feature 2-stage compressors and they are more compact, which is good for retrofit applications. They are basic units with an 18.5 EER efficiency, while the SS Series premium models are available with either single-stage or 2-stage compressors and have a 24.1 EER efficiency. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.